flame the world could not contain, not for the ease of worldly peace, but truth that cuts through soul and name. O Christ, whose words ignite the flame, burn what is false, make true remain. Though peace may falter, love shall stand. We follow still.